name is Robert Hetsler, and today we're going to be discussing a hot topic associated with divorce, which is financial planning and tax implications. Now, certainly I'm not an expert in the field, but we do have someone, we're fortunate enough to have Diane Taylor here today, who we're going to be speaking with. We're going to discuss a variety of issues regarding tax planning or financial type of advice when going through a divorce. I'll give you a little bit of history about Diane. She has a Bachelor of Economics. She has a Master's in Business Administration, I believe with a focus in finance. She's a certified financial planner. She's also been a tax professional for more than 15 years. And she's an adjunct faculty member at, you're going to have to help me with this, Diane.
Yeah, Fairleigh Dickinson University.
Fairleigh Dickinson University, where she teaches income tax and estate planning. So we're very fortunate to have her. We're going to try to pick her brain as much as possible today. And keeping in mind that we're only going to be able to touch the surface or scratch the surface because there's a lot of specific unique things that you have to deal with in every case. But the good news is at the end of the video, or below this video, you will see all the contact information to contact Diane directly should you feel after watching this video that she may be of some help to you going forward. So we'll have her website up, her phone numbers, and all of that good information. So without further delay, hi Diane, how are you?
Hi, good, thanks Robert. Thank you for having me.
No problem. We are going to first talk about tax issues, which is always fun. Everybody gets excited, I know, about taxes. But let's talk about something that is probably easy for you, but a lot of people just don't know. Typically, when you're going through a divorce, and correct me if I'm wrong, there's two types of money being exchanged regularly and reoccurring, usually monthly, and I think that's alimony and child support.
That's right.
Now, child support, is that taxable to the person receiving it?
No, child support is not taxable.
Okay.
So that is a tax-free income to the recipient and not deductible to the payor.
Okay, fantastic. So basically, if I'm receiving child support, I don't have to even claim it on my tax return. It's not even there.
It does not get reported at all.
Perfect, perfect. Now, I know enough to know that alimony is not quite that easy. Can you talk just a little bit about alimony?
Yeah, so alimony is typically taxable unless it is otherwise claimed as tax-free. But I would say 99% of the cases it's going to be taxable alimony. And that is deductible to the payor and then taxable to the payee. So the recipient will pay income tax on the alimony received.
So, as an example, if you and I were married and we got
Yes.
divorced and you were fortunate enough to pay me alimony of $2,000 a month,
Yes.
You get to deduct that at year end, and I get to report it at
You
year
do.
end. The problem could potentially be because it's not a typical job where you get a W-2 and there's automatically taxes being taken out, that I could get hit with potentially a big tax burden at the year end. Is there anything you would recommend to people that are receiving alimony that should do to prevent, getting a big tax liability at the year end when they're not prepared for it? Hi, I'm Dr. Robert Hetsler, and thank you so much today for watching one of our sample videos. After watching one of our sample videos, I'm sure you can agree that all the information that would be included in the members area is so much more valuable and so much more intense. I encourage you today to go to divorceprocess.co, where you can get all the information, have immediate access to all the great content and information that allow you to make good and informed decisions when going through your divorce. Again, that's divorceprocess.co, and I look forward to seeing you inside the members area. Thank you.